Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Is everybody having fun? One more time. Okay, now we're ready. So, you spent the last half hour or so watching us perform a Schuhplattler, but what we didn't tell you is that there is a test at the end of the performance. In fact, we want to see what you've learned, so we are going to invite members of our audience to participate in Schuhplattler. So, let me tell you how it works. First, we're going to need some ladies. If we could have at least 6 ladies come on, step up over here. I see Tanya sneaking away. And, oh, Tanya, bring our Maikönigin up here. Yeah. Yes, definitely we need our Maikönigin. Absolutely. We've lost the Maikönigin. Beth Becker. Your mother is looking for you. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so if we can have several ladies come on up here, please. Your job will be to judge the men and tell us how well they've done the Schuhplattler. That's right, ladies. All you have to do is judge the men, just like at home. Okay, but now that we've got several lovely ladies up here to help us out, and definitely we've got more ladies coming, and there's our Maikönigin, yay! We also need some gentlemen to show us how it's done. Sure, we'll put the Maikönigin over there. Now, the Maikönigin actually did some Schuhplattler earlier today, so we're going to have her as a ringer. Wo ist Ryan? Peter Sawicki, paging Peter Sawicki. There's free beer involved. Just kidding. Okay, so anyways, we're going to have several gentlemen up here that are going to perform a Schuhplattler for you ladies, and you ladies will then decide how they've done. But, so that we do not leave our gentlemen here unsuspecting and high and dry, we're going to have some demonstrations for you as to how Schuhplattler is done. So, watch these 2 strapping young gentlemen right here. Very athletic, very good looking, almost as good looking as me. Oh, no, kidding. In this corner, we have Adam, the Hammer Herrick. And in this corner, we have Adam, the man with the plan, Harold. All right. So Adam and Adam will show you how to do the Isartaler. Now if you'll notice, the word Isar sounds a lot like easy, because it's a very easy, slow plattler. All right, so gentlemen, show them how it's done. That's good, you gotta show off to the lady judges. And here they go, and it's the big finish. Here it comes, and whoa! Thank you, Hammer, and thank you, man with the plan. Okay, so if we can have our first 2 volunteers come up. Just that. These 2 gentlemen. Alright, okay, so gentlemen, you saw Adam and Adam do it. Once my father, Alfred, der Meister Hauptmann, plays for you, then start plattling and we'll show the judges what you got. I see some kicks. Ooh, I see some hits. This is very good. And some stops. Uh-oh, it's no contact Schuhplattler. And they're moving and they're dancing. And more movement, more kicking. The music's still playing, the music's still playing, the music's still playing. Yes, I think so. We're going for the big finish. Whoa! Hey, that one was not in the playbook. Very nice. Yeah, you're not allowed to leave the stage yet. Just because you graduated doesn't mean you get to leave yet. Okay.
My beer's over there. They won't forget to leave.
All right, so our next 2 volunteers, gentlemen, once the maestro plays for you, it is time to begin the contest. All right. Looking nice and limber. And they're moving. And the clock's ticking. Oh, and our Maikönigin is showing them how it's done. Oh, here goes the Maikönigin. Come on, gentlemen. We like the Maikönigin. Very athletic. To the beat. Jumping, moving, kicking. High kicks seen the Maikönigin in Carnival too. All right, very good. So let's have our final volunteers come on out here. Yay! All right, gentlemen, you saw how it's done. If the Maikönigin can do it, so can you. All right, so, gentlemen, please. All right, looking very good, very spry, very athletic. I like the hips, very good. Looking good, very athletic, jumping around. Let's see some stomps. High kicks, oh, very nice loud stomps. Oh, and high kicks, very athletic. And here's the big finish, here's the big finish. Woo! I am impressed, all right. So now our judges will select a winner. They will select our grand champion of the Maifest 2018. The suspense is killing me. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? I'm cheating. I'm trying to listen what's going on. Oh, it's a very heated discussion. That was a very good contest. Oh. I had a good time. I had a good time. Okay, so they're still deliberating. They're still deliberating. It was a very good contest, Tanya. It's a lot of decisions to make.
I'm a little biased, but...
A little?
Okay, so who's our winner? Judges, the suspense is killing us. Who's our winner? We're still delivering. I wrote a poem to commemorate... No, I'm kidding.
Dance off! Dance off!
Okay, so who's our winner? Oh, tie! Oh my! We're going to have a playoff. This never happens that we have a tie in the Isartaler contest. Never happened before.
There's a first time.
Okay, all right, so let's see. Our two champions. Who's it going to be? The bow tie, the no bow tie, the beard, the kind of beard. And gentlemen, Maestro will play for us, and here we go. Oh, they both very athletic. This is the final, folks. This is for all the marbles. This is for all the schnitzel. Oh my goodness. Hits and kicks and very athletic. And they're moving and they're looking good. Hold high. And the big belly, the big belly. Here comes from the high kicks. Here we go. Oh. All right. Somebody signed them up. Practices on Tuesday night. In Anaheim. Adam's buying the beer. Okay, let's write that, Adam. Okay. Okay, all right. Rob Guterman will announce our winner. Who's it going to be? Rob, our winner is... Hey! Thank you very much to all of our participants. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations to our champion. We hope you all had a good time. We will be back for another performance later today. Hope you enjoyed the show. Enjoy some great music. It's going to be a wonderful day.